We are pleased to show you the 2018 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, tachometer, leather shift knob, security alarm, front bucket seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.